Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Craft Divas. So today we're going to be doing some work in Canva. So this is going to be a very short tutorial because I'm just showing you one beneficial thing. If you are new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. If you are a vet, welcome back. Alright, so let's get to it. So what I'm going to be doing here is, I already have something pulled up. So this is my scan to pay. Not technically, because I don't have it. These are not, these are not my business codes here. This is something generic because it's just a template, but we're going to be using this today. So we're going to pretend that all of my things are on here. This is my business name and everything on here. I did put my website in here just so I can already have that. So basically what we're going to do is you click on whatever item you want to be a clickable link. So like this, you would click on the website, go and make sure you have a copy of the site. So click on there. You're going to hit these little dots. Then you're going to hit this link. And I already have it in there. So let's say I didn't have it in there. So I hit that and I will paste my website in there and enter. And now, if I go back to that and go to links, you see that is a clickable link in there. I can click from there, go to link, and it'll pull up my website. The great part about this is when you have something like this, you need to save it as a PDF, right? So we're going to save this as a PDF. I gotta save it. And then once it saves as a PDF, yeah, we're going to leave it like that. That's cool. Then I'm going to open that up. Open it up. Alright, and now it's a clickable link. Hey, we made a clickable link. See how easy that was? And you can do that with anything. If I want to make this thank you a clickable link, same process. Click on that, put the link in there. To know if it works, go back and go to link. Go to link and boom, it pops up. Easy, right? So easy. So you don't have to only do this for your website. You can, anything that you want to make clickables for, if you want to make a clickable link for your YouTube channel, you can do that. For your Facebook business page, that's an option also. The opportunity, is that the right word I'm looking for? The possibilities are endless. So I hope this was very helpful for everyone. Like I said, it was a quick tutorial because it's nothing to it. It's super easy. You can do it on anything that you make. Like even if I created another document or whatever, I can do the same process. Like, it is so easy. Let's try one more thing. I'm gonna just let's say if I was doing a digital card or something for somebody. I don't get to change that. Right. And same process if I wanted to type some text. Hello is about to be a clickable link. Click that. Boom. It's there. It's gray. It's there. Boom. There we go. There we go. Ew. So there we go. So like I said, I hope this was helpful for someone. Super easy. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You can also post in the comments if you want any other tutorials that you want to see. I'm all for it, longer ones, short tutorials, whatever that's gonna, let us get together and have some fun. But thank you guys for watching, and you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.